how can one manage their money? Are there any budgeting tips?
Okay, let me start with budgeting per se. In this recent world where inflation is taking over the economy, I can 90% say it's difficult to save.
Many people.
Yeah, many people. In fact, I can even say 95 people don't save. 95% of people don't
even save.
Because even if they try to do, they tend to see themselves spending from that money also. So basically, the reason they are unable to save is because they don't have a budgeting culture. So people tend to not understand what budgeting is.
They don't
know. Back in secondary school, you always think budgeting is when you start now have to do scale of preference. You need to bring out what you want most and what you need to buy. And nobody is actually implementing that into their life. Yes, we did all that in school, but I can tell you nobody is implementing that into their life.
It's just talking, but without doing anything.
Yes, it's just talking. Nobody's putting that into their life. But in other way, there are ways one can budget. Budgeting should be a culture.
It should be a culture.
It should be a culture. Because if you don't have a culture to budget what you earn, then it will be very difficult for you to save. So that is the foreground, like the foundation to saving. Budgeting is a foundation to saving. Assuming, like me, I didn't learn this earlier enough, but it is something which I do practice more recently, and I believe if I have been practicing this when I was younger, in my early 20s, it could have been helpful for me, but I think I started it in my early 30s, late 20s. So how will I say you should budget? The best way to budget is firstly to know how much you earn. If you don't know what you earn in total, either on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis, then you wouldn't be able to budget. If you know how much you earn, then you need to sit down and look at your expenses. That is where the scale of preference comes in. You don't have to sit down and start saying, this is what I need most and this is what I don't need most. You have to look backward to what you have spent, not what you want to spend in the nearest future. For you to know what you will be able to spend in the nearest future, you have to look back to the previous amount you earned. Then when you look at the previous amount you earned, how did this money finish? What are the things that take out this money? Then when you look at the expenses that made this money fall through, or this money finishes, then you now understand that, oh, okay, I think I've made some expenses I don't need.
That's another one. So when you're doing your expenses, you need to find out what you really need.
Because that is where the scale of preference comes in. Now, because when you look previously to what you have spent on your previous income, then you will know what are priority, what you could have spent and what could have even saved you some money. Because sometimes if you are thinking, okay, this is what I will spend in the future, it's not always like that. It is what you have spent previously that makes you understand that there are some expenses I'm making that is not needed. Imagine I get a salary today, and then immediately when I get the salary, I paid my rent, I paid everything, and I said to myself, okay, I've been working, I need to I need to refuel myself. I need to catch some fun. There's a saying, we Africans where man they walk, now they chop. You understand? So in that experience, you go out with friends. These friends might even be earning more than you, and when you are out with them, these people are spending according to their own pockets. They might not even have a budgeting culture.
Yeah.
But because you are with them, you are rolling with them, you spend like them. And by the time you get home, you've realized that all your monies are gone.
God.
And then you say to yourself, all my incomes are going through expenses. What are the expenses your income are going through? Are you able to calculate them?
Yes.
Are you able to say these are the particular outputs? This is where my money is going to. Most of us earn money, but we can't actually say this is where my money is going through.
Yeah.
Even till today, I can tell you that sometimes I do sit down and I look at my account. How did I spend this money?
Yeah.
Then I take my statement of account, start going through it. Then I say to myself, oh my God, when did I make these expenses? The expenses, I will even say in my statements, I will start thinking, when did I make these expenses?
Yeah.
Before I will be able to remember the time I made these expenses. You can see if I can't even, if I'm trying to remember the expenses I made on my statement, that means I've spent wrongly.
Oh my God. That is so true. Because you can't figure out what did I spend on. You see this funny name on
you see the funny name, you start thinking.
What is this? What did I do with this? Yes.
You start thinking. Then if I can't figure out what I spend my money for, because I can figure out how I earned that money. But I can't figure out how I spent the money. Then there is a problem.